in the AAA roadside assistance cream possum. I'm not sure what inner loop or outer loop, if this was I-95 or 495. I'm not sure which road it came off of, but I'm pretty sure it's the end of the road, wherever. They have a slogan. Cream possum with sweet potatoes, garnished and corn fat. Now, I'm not, I love a good sweet potato pie, sweet potato, yams, candy, in all types of ways. But with the possum combination, I don't quite think that it's gonna work out right. I'm gonna do this for you because I just want y'all to view and comment. Let's go. Let's go.